Just getting started with crypto in 2025 and not sure which exchange to trust? With so many platforms out there, choosing the right one can be confusing, especially when you're new. In this video, I'll break down the best crypto exchanges for beginners based on ease of use, security, low fees, and learning features. Let's get into it. Before we rank them, here's what you should look for as a beginner. Simple user interface, low or transparent fees, educational content, good customer support, strong security features. Not all exchanges are beginner friendly, and some can be overwhelming with charts, bots, and technical tools. Number 5. Bitstamp, one of the oldest crypto exchanges, very clean and simple UI. Supports major coins like BTC, ETH, and XRP. Great for beginners who just want to buy and hold. Verdict: reliable and no nonsense, but lacks newer coin listings. Number 4. Toro Crypto section, known for stock and crypto trading, easy drag and drop interface, great copy trading feature, follow top investors. Crypto fees are a bit higher, but it's super user friendly. Verdict: perfect if you're transitioning from stock trading to crypto. Number 3. Kraken, very secure and beginner friendly interface. Kraken Learn, a new education portal launched in 2025, supports fiat deposits and withdrawals in multiple currencies. Great mobile app. Verdict: solid all-rounder with a focus on safety. Number 2. Coinbase, one of the most popular exchanges for beginners. Simple buy-sell dashboard. Earn while you learn, watch videos, and earn free crypto. FDIC insured USD wallets, US only. Downside: higher fees unless you use the advanced trading feature. Verdict: still the easiest onboarding exchange for total beginners. Number 1. Binance Lite, or Binance Simple Mode. Binance is the world's biggest exchange, but they now offer a simplified interface called Binance Lite. Low fees, fast KYC, huge variety of coins. Built-in tutorials and spot trading explained simply. Advanced features are hidden unless you switch to Pro mode. Verdict: best mix of ease, low fees, and growth potential for beginners. No matter what exchange you start with, use 2FA to protect your account. Start with small amounts. Don't rush into trading. Learn first. Never leave large funds on exchanges. Use a wallet for long-term storage. Final verdict: if I had to recommend one platform for absolute beginners in 2025, it would be Coinbase for its ease of use, or Binance Lite if you're looking for lower fees and more coins. Which exchange did you start with, and what was your experience like? Drop a comment below. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more beginner-friendly crypto content.